So another thing that Montessori does so fantastically well is language. Language begins with beginning reading and eventually goes into grammar. And these are just an example of a few materials that we work with to symbolize grammar and have manipulatives for the functions of words. This is an example of a grammar box. The child will have started with understanding the noun as a person, place, or thing. They identify it with a hands-on 3D manipulative, and then eventually they start working on learning about nouns. So an example of a noun would be a volcano, but in that lesson we're also going to look at singular and plural, and the plural of volcano is volcanoes. We look at a half as a noun, and then the plural of half is halves. So they're reinforcing their readings with the grammar cards, also identifying them as the black noun. Eventually they go into the noun family with the adjective and the article, moving on to the verb, then the adverb, preposition, conjunction, pronoun, and interjection. In lower elementary, they should get through all these, but if they do not, they obviously have opportunity to work on these in upper elementary. When they are working through these, we can also use grammar cards. They form sentences using these symbols, so this could be the soggy wet dog, and they get into more complex sentences manipulating with the grammar symbols. We also have a complex word study, which is behind me with the cabinets. We have possession with apostrophes, prefixes, suffixes, homographs, homonyms, and so the children get exposure to all different types of word study while reinforcing their reading, writing it as well, and just getting a firm concept of the language and mechanics that Montessori can offer.